guys, and welcome back to another video. So after a long time of waiting, I have changed my camera. So before, as you guys know or maybe not, I have been using my phone camera, which was a selfie, and I have struggled a lot. Like a lot means a lot, because I had even though I brought a tripod for it and a mic for the for this phone, but the quality which I get was not that good enough. Even though I tried a lot in my editing, it was a hard time for me to edit the videos. There was a thing in my mind that I have to change my camera as soon as possible. So after 2 years, I have changed my camera. So before buying camera, I had so many conditions, like so many conditions that are required to make the videos. So as a content creator, I wanted a 4K recording. As you guys know that 4K is the future. Even though I'm going to use this camera for my daily use as recording for YouTube. The camera screen should be controllable. It should be touch screen for sure. Whenever I'm shooting, I can just see myself and then say and do some adjustment that I can do, because I don't have a cameraman. I'm doing all by myself. Remote control. I should be able to control the camera through my phone or any equipment that I have or I own. So I can control it through keeping it away from me, and then I can use it. Connectivity. I should be able to connect to the camera wirelessly through my device. It can be the phone or it can be the computer. So I can transfer my files that I have made in my camera and send it through devices wirelessly, and it will be easy for me to do my daily stuff. As you guys know that SD card is very hard to take it away from our camera and insert it to our computer when the computer is not having that port. So it is easy that we can wirelessly transfer the camera's photos or the videos that we have taken and transfer it to the computer so easily wirelessly, or through a cable wire. Portable. The camera should be portable. As you guys know that maybe I'll be traveling to make my videos in the future, so that I should be able to take the camera through my luggage or in my bag, as I cannot take a camera kit for separately for my traveling. And this is a funny one: USB charging, like USB-C charging. As you guys know that I'm using my daily charger, the USB-C, for all my devices. And last but not the least, affordable. As you guys know that I'm a beginner in the videography, so I didn't learn anything about the cameras in my past for videography. So buying an affordable or a cheap or not that much costly camera will help me for making better videos and learn about the cameras. And the future, when I'm buying a new camera which is high-end, I can even easily just go through my videography easily. So after a long time of researching, and out of all the cameras, Sony gave me the answer. So this is the Sony ZV-1F, the camera that is meant for the vloggers and even the content creators. So there are a few dislikes and likes about the Sony ZV-1F. This smart boy has some perks. Like number 1, all of my conditions were solved in this camera. It have a really good UI in the camera, and even it offers so many good choices, like the product showcase, which is so good, and I'll be talking that in a minute, and even so many good facilities that provide in the camera. When we are shooting a video, it even shows that it is recording through the screen and even through the red light. The app that comes with the camera is so good and professional, and this camera even is portable because we can just keep it in just in a pocket. It is having a problem in the good focus, like it is not having that much good focus when we're trying to like focus on us, and even though blurriness in behind our background is not that much accurate. The battery life in the Sony ZV-1F is not that much the best or the excellent. It is not that much good even, because when we're continuously recording the video, the battery just degrades so fast, and we have to keep a power bank near with us even when the battery just drains out. This mainly comes in a problem when you're vlogging, because this camera is meant for vlogging, but it's not having that much battery life that vloggers want it. And another major dislike I hate about this camera is the heating issues, because whenever I start recording this camera, after 5 minutes or 10 minutes it start heating. Why? You might get this gimbal right here. With one click you can just start your recording. With one click you can just take a photo, and even you can just zoom in with this thing. Overall, this camera is for the beginners or the vloggers out there. Even if you just have a main camera and you need a secondary camera, this is the best you can get right there. So that is it for my Sony CV-1F. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So after a long time of waiting, changed my camera, so it's having a good reach. As you guys know that I'm in recording this for a little while, and my new videos have been recorded by this Sony ZV-1F, and it made my videos easier to make. So by saying that, my name is Saharsh, you can call me SS, and I'll catch you in the next video.